Hello student, today we are going to discuss Geography chapter 4 Climate Maps related questions and answers. Question given here: prepare a map with the help of the information given below. First question is, mark the following on the maps of Brazil with a suitable index. First question is, rain shadow area means drought quadrilateral. Second question, winds that bring rainfall to Brazil. Third, draw the main parallel of latitude passing through Brazil which affect in climate. Fourth, city with maximum temperature Manas. As given in the first question, drought quadrilateral area. So you can see here, this is the drought quadrilateral area. You can draw here slanting line, and this is the area which is covered by the drought quadrilateral. Next question is, winds that bring rainfall to Brazil. Answer is southeast trade winds, means in this way southeast trade winds come, and northeast trade winds also are there. Next question, draw the main parallel of latitude passing through Brazil which affects its climate. You can see this latitude which passes through the Brazil. So this is the Tropic of Capricorn, and one more latitude passes through the Brazil which is equator. Next question, city with maximum temperature, that is Manas. This is the city which has maximum temperature of the Brazil. After that you will have to make a index. So you must put symbols, details of particular information. You can see here in the dot quadrilateral we use symbol of the slanting lines. Then winds that brings rainfall, arrows are there. Then next main parallel. So main parallel which is equator and the Tropic of Capricorn. So it is shown by the set of small lines. And next the city of maximum temperature which is shown by the different symbols. Next question is related to India's map. Mark the following on the map of India with a suitable index. First, places which receive the highest rainfall. Second, driest part of India, place receiving the least rainfall in India. Third, state receiving the maximum rainfall during the retreating monsoon season. Fourth, main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Fifth, monsoon winds that bring rain during June. First question, places which receive the highest rainfall. You can see here, these are the two places which receive highest rainfall. First one is the Mausaram and second is the Cherrapunji. You must keep in your mind, whenever you have to put marks for that, you must write the name of that particular place. Means two places are there, Mausaram and the Cherrapunji. Okay. The next question is, driest place of India or place receiving the least rainfall in India, which is Jaisalmer. You must know the particular place name and where it is situated. Next question is, state receiving the maximum rainfall during the retreating monsoon. The answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question is, main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Answer is Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degree 30 minute north. Next question, monsoon winds that bring rain during June. Answer is southwest monsoon winds. After that you must have to make index with symbol and the details. Okay, so places receive highest rainfall, the dark symbol is given, dark dot is there. Place receiving least rainfall, one more dot is there but which is different. Then next, state receiving rainfall during retreating monsoon which is shown with lines. Next, main parallel with the set of lines it is shown. Then next monsoon wind, which is for that arrows are used.